Good morning. We'll start session 2 on chapter areas related to circles. So today's part, what we'll be studying is about sector, segment, etc. So formulas anyways, they are given to you. Let's quickly start. But before that, there is not a formula I must say, but another important concept. So just write note before you start this exercise and write down these points. That is, suppose if I ask you minute hand of a clock, if I talk about a minute hand and hour hand of a clock, what is the angle swept by minute hand and hour hand of a clock? How do we consider that? Let's first understand. Minute hand of a clock, okay, in 1 hour it completes one revolution. So can I consider that as 60 minutes? So total minute hand I am talking about 1 hour. See, 1 hour, 1 revolution, that is fixed. Even if I talk about hour hand, 1 hour will be 1 revolution only, but the time will be different over there, right? So in 1 hour it can cover 60 minutes, that is 1 revolution. So angle traced, what is the angle traced? By, we have one numerical sum based on this, that is why this concept to be known is very important. Angle traced by minute hand in 60 minutes is equal to what? See, simple. It will be here in 60 minutes means 1 hour it will complete. So it is complete circle. It will complete 1 revolution total 360 degrees. Therefore, angle traced by minute hand. Don't put this. Write it. Minute hand in 1 minute. How much? 360 upon 60, that is equal to 6 degree. If I ask you what is the angle traced by a minute hand from 5:10 to 5:11, simple, 5:10 to 5:11, it's only 1 minute. It is traced. What is the angle traced? 6 degree. What is the angle traced by minute hand from 5:10 to 5:11? It is 5 minutes, right? 5 into 6, like that. So 1 minute it will trace 6 degree, right? 1 hour, it will 1 hour it is 1 revolution 60 minutes. Angle traced by a minute hand in 1 hour is whole complete one line, that is 360 degrees. It can't be 180. If it is 180, it is actually half an hour it will come, only half part. Again another half part. So 360 by 1 minute it is 6 degree. This part you have to remember. Next part. Now this was about the minute hand. Now we will talk about an hour hand of a clock. Okay. So this also we can consider that one revolution is equal to 12 hours. Okay, completes 1 revolution in 12 hours. Therefore, what is 1 revolution? If I consider 9 o'clock, again I have to consider 9 o'clock. This part here. Complete 1 revolution in terms of 12 hours. Angle traced by hour hand in, what is angle traced by hour hand in 12 hours? That is total 12 hours what you can consider about an hour hand is 360 degrees. Therefore, angle traced by an hour hand in 1 hour, 360 by 12, 12 3s are 0, right? What is angle traced by in 1 hour and 1 minute is very important for us. That is what we have to remember. We'll start with the numericals now. There's only one sum which we have based on this. It's not a formula, it comes under a concept. We can even write this while writing the formula, solving the numerical directly. But still I wanted you all to know this part so that we can directly apply. I need not give any clarification or bifurcation there while solving the sum. So let's quickly begin with the sum. First one, find the area of sector of circle with radius. So we have to find area of sector, question mark, with radius 6 centimeter and angle of the sector. I had told you, right, theta will be given always in terms of 60, 30, 45, 90, that is a quadrant, such angles only. Of course, you have a sum where theta is also 120, right? How to solve that we'll see later. Area of a sector, direct formula. See, just one thing remember, for sector you require the space between only two radii, right? That means it is theta by 360 into pi r square. But when we talk about a segment, it is a part with the corresponding triangle which it has. So area of a segment plus a triangle comes. So formula becomes bigger. Theta upon 360 into pi r square, 60 upon 360 into 22 by 7 into 6 into 6, 0 and 0, 6 ones are 6, 6 are 6 and 6 will get cancelled. Then there is nothing to get cancelled here. One good thing here is you can keep the final answer in terms of fraction. 132 by 7 centimeter square is the answer. You can keep it as it is. You need not divide further or keep it in decimal. Okay. Look at the next one. Find the area of the quadrant whose circumference is 22 centimeter. So circumference is given as 22 centimeter. Area of quadrant. Circumference is equal to 22 centimeter. Circumference is given as 2 pi r, because here even r we want to find. Okay, area of a quadrant they have asked. Of course it is understood. Theta is equal to 90 degree. In case if you want to use this formula, I will use 1 by 4 pi r square because quadrant formula directly I will apply. Or theta by 360, 90 by 360 into pi r square. Both are equally correct. But first find radius. 22. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 22. 22 and 22 will get cancelled. R is equal to 7 by 2. You can keep this as it is, centimeter. Next, area of quadrant. 1 by 4 pi r square. So 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 7 and 7 will get cancelled. 2 ones are 2 11s are 11 sevens are 77. 4 twos are 8. So 77 by 8 centimeter square is the answer. Area of quadrant. Simple calculations. Now next sum is based on the angle, hour hand and minute hand of a clock. Only one sum as I have told. The length of the minute hand of the clock is 14 centimeter. So third one. Length of minute hand is equal to 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by minute hand. Time in 5 minutes. Area swept in 5 minutes. Okay, that is what we have to find out. Directly write theta is the angle traced. First of all, find the area. See, now area swept is actually what? Now length of a minute hand is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept in 5 minutes. That means there is an area which is swept in 5 minutes. That will give you a sector there, right? This point if I talk about, that gives you a sector. But for that sector we actually want theta. To find that theta we have to do this. Now write down theta is angle traced in, okay, angle traced by minute hand in length of a minute hand, which is nothing but 14 centimeter, that is radius it is, okay, r. So length of a minute hand traced in 1 minute is equal to 6 degree. Traced in 5 minutes, copy the same thing here, is equal to 5 into 6, 30 degree. Oh, we got theta. Now what we have to find? Area swept in, therefore area swept by minute hand in 5 minutes, that is nothing but sector. It became an area of a sector. Theta by 360 into pi r square. 30 by 360 into, just check, always please check what they have given for pi. 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. 7 ones are 7 twos are 0 and 0. 3 ones are 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 2 6 are 12. 2 11s are 2 ones are 2 threes are. So answer is 11 into 14 by 3, that is 154 by 3 centimeter square. Okay, next one. All sectors only we had. Now the next sum is about segmenting. A chord of circle of radius 10 centimeter subtends a right angle at the center. Theta is equal to 90 degree. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment and major sector. Minor segment and major sector, there's a difference. So what is major sector, children? See, area of sector is known to us, but what is minor and major? Till now whatever we have done where theta is 30 or less than 90 is all minor sector. See here, this at this theta is all minor sector. This theta is all major sector. What is that? That is nothing but same formula, but here what you have to find is 360 minus theta. Find the angle and do it. That's all. Okay, whatever angle is given, 90. So if this is 90, what angle will be this? 270. So this formula will be 270 by 360 into pi r square. Don't get confused for major sector. See, we only know the formula. See, minor segment and major segment will differ a lot. But when we talk about a sector, it will not differ. See, this is minor and this is major. So when it is minor, we know the formula theta by 360 into pi r square, right? If it is major, 360 minus theta upon 360 into pi r square. You can write like this, or with pre-hand only calculations you can do. That is nothing but 360 minus 90 is equal to 270. So same formula, theta by 360 into pi r square. You can write it freehand calculation, then apply 270. Don't get confused with major and minor sector. Sector formula is only one. No change in sector formula. Only change is in segment formula. Formula for minor segment is totally different from formula for major segment. Okay? Remember that one thing. There will be no confusions in this solving part. So directly we will write here. Area of minor segment is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square minus 1 by 2 r square sin theta. At one go only we go. Sometimes what they do in the school or what they do in other way is, or other method is, find area of this one, right? Find area of the sector part, then find area of a triangle. This formula is nothing but area of a triangle formula, but don't avoid those confusion. Remember this, just substitute this. Theta is 90 by 360 into, just check for pi what they have asked. They have asked use pi as 3.14. 3.14 into r square 10 into 10 minus half into 10 into 10 sin theta, sin 90 degree, right? What is, I'll give you final answer here. At once I'll give you. But what is sin 90? Sin 90 is 1. Because sin 0 is 0. 90 has to be 1. Over. Do the further calculation, whatever is required here. And the answer for this will be 28.5 centimeter square. Okay. Second half. Area of major sector. Remember same formula only. But major when it comes theta minus 360 it comes, or you calculate theta pre in advance. 360 minus theta upon 360 because you are calculating the remaining part of angle into pi r square. 360 minus 90 divided by 360 into 3.14 into 10 into 10. 270 by 360 into 3.14 into 100. I will give you the final answer, children. Please go for the calculation part. It is 235.5 centimeters square will be the answer. Okay. Calculations which you have to do it, but formula if you have to apply it correctly. That is, see again, if you have something to be divided by, keep that in fraction only. That is possible here. Next one. Fifth one. In a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle 60 degree at the center. Find the length of the arc. This is the only sum where we have length of the arc. Otherwise, we don't have it anywhere. Length of arc. Then area formed by sector. Okay, we'll do it one by one. We know r, we know theta. That's more than enough to find anything given, right? Length of the arc formula. So length of the arc formula is given by theta by 360 into 2 pi r. I will remember this only. If you want theta by 180 into pi r, you can remember. I'll remember the basic concept of the formula. Then you can go ahead for substitution. What should I use as pi? Okay, it is 22 by 7. 60 by 360 into 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 21. 0, 0. 7 3s are 6 6 are 2 3s are 2 11s are. So is 66 by 3. So L is equal to 22 centimeter. Length comes in terms of centimeter. Second part, what they have asked? They have asked area of sector. Now when we talk about sector, it is the minor sector only. Don't get confused with sector, major or minor. Only sector is asked, it is minor. They have specifically asked, then it should be a major. Area of a sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. So theta is 60 upon 360 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. Do the calculations. You will get answer as 231 centimeter square. Last, what they have asked, area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. Area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. So what segment it has to be? It has to be a minor segment formed by the corresponding chord. Of course, it is this, not the previous one. So that you have to understand what are they asking, minor or major. Area of, mention it off here, minor segment. Identification is very important. Theta by 360 into pi r square minus 1 by 2 r square sine theta. So theta is 60 upon 360. See, directly if you want, you can write the answer here. We'll write it in the next step directly. Into pi r square minus half into r is 21 into 21 into sine 60. What is this? I will directly write this answer, we know, because sector part we have found out. 231 minus, what is sine 30? I'll give a direct answer part here. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So 20 root 3, okay, we will write it. 1 by 2, 21 into 21 is 441 into root 3 by 2. So 21 minus 231 minus 441 root 3 by 4 centimeter square will be the answer. Yeah, a lengthy, but you are supposed to keep this as it is. No changes in this. Okay. And the next one. This directly I wrote it. This part already was calculated. So need not sit and do it once again. Sixth one. A chord of circle of radius 15 centimeter subtends an angle 60 degree at the center. Find the areas of corresponding minor and major segment. Find the areas of corresponding minor segment and major segment. And let's draw the figure here to make you understand. So we have to only simply find this part and this part. Okay. So minor segment, directly I write the formula. Area of minor segment is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square minus 1 by 2 r square sin theta. Theta is 60 by 360 into, check what they have asked for pi. Yes, they have asked to use pi as 1 point. Now see here, they have asked you to use pi as 3.14 and root 3 as 1.73. That means you can't keep sin 60 as root 3 by 2. You have to use root 3 value as 1.73. Sometimes I specifically mentioned that also. So see carefully. So pi is 3.14 into 15 minus 1 by 2 into 15 sin 60. So sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Calculation do further. Root 3 by 2 value, root 3 value you can use it as 1.73. They have given directly. Answer for this would be 20.4375 centimeters square. Substitute, you have to substitute root 3 value as 1.73. You will get 20.4375 centimeter square. Now area of major segment. This part is over. How do you find this? I have not given this formula. No, I have given this formula. But still, can I do area of whole circle? Minus area of minor segment. If I do, will I get major segment? Yes. Area of circle minus area of minor segment. Apply the formula. First write the formula. Area of circle formula is pi r square minus, only formula we'll write. We will not do any calculations. I'll write this formula. Theta by 360 into pi r square, because in case if they have not asked this and directly if they have asked this, that means you have to apply and do it like this only, right? I will write the formula, but answer I will substitute directly. Minus 1 by 2 r square sin theta. So pi r square is 3.14 into 15 minus, directly I will write 20.4375. Okay, do this, multiply this, subtract with this, you will get answer as 686.0625 centimeter square. Did you understand why I wrote this here? I know directly answer I would have written, but still I wrote the formula part. In case if they have not asked the first and directly they have asked you major segment, you have to solve at that point of time. Since we have the answer I have written, area of circle I have written here, pi r square. Cancel, subtract this. This is what you will get the answer. So with this we'll end today's session. From the remaining sum onwards, we'll be doing that in the next session. Practice these sums, practice the formulas till then.